make it jump like this. And it flips too, most of the time. Hello everyone, and welcome to my first origami video for this channel. And today I will be showing you how to make an origami flipping frog. This is gonna end up to be really cool, and I hope you enjoy this video. Now, let's get started. As you can see, I have square paper or origami paper. In order to make, if you just have regular printer paper, in order to make that a square, you have to fold it diagonal, and there will be excess paper that you need to cut off, and then you'll have a square. So what you want to do first is you want to fold this paper diagonally in half. So this corner to this corner. Try and make sure that your edges are aligned and your corners are aligned as well. And just do the best you can, because not everyone's perfect, so. And I like to run my fingernail against the paper or the crease so that it gives me nice sharp folds and I can see the crease well. So our next step is to fold paper the other way diagonally in half. And just run your fingernail against that and unfold. And now our next step is to fold it in half, this edge to this edge. And now from here, you want to fold both layers of your paper in half. So. And then we want to unfold. And now you should see a line going through a triangle on your paper. So our next step could be a little tricky for starters, but it's kind of crucial to our model. So what we want to do is we want to take this corner and push and open up our fold a little bit and push it in along that crease, and then close it up along that crease. So now you can see that there's 2 layers to the triangle. Now what we're making here is called a water bomb base, or you can call it the collapsed triangle. And now we want to do the same on the other side. So our next step after this is to fold this corner to the top corner along this halfway line that you can see right there. But we only want to fold the first layer. We don't want to pick up both layers and fold it up. We only want to fold the first layer. And like I said earlier, make sure your folds are nice and precise, as best as you can. And then we want to do the same on the other side. And now it looks like you have a big, huge diamond in the middle of your triangle. So we're getting close to the end now, but what we want to do is take this corner and fold it into the bottom of the diamond. And the same on the other side. There's going to be lots of doing the same on the other side. But we're almost done, so not really anymore. So now we are like not too long before, it's not going to be too long before we're done. So just bear with me. So we want to fold this bottom edge of our paper upwards about just above the corners of the diamond. And then we want to fold this top edge of our rectangle down to the bottom edge of our paper in general. So now you should have something that looks like that, and that. So now we want to flip over our model, and this is like our, well, it's done, but this next step is optional. You can do it, and it will just make your frog look extra cool. So basically what you want to do is you want to take this corner and fold it upwards. About a 1/4 inch. And you want to unfold. And like I said earlier, there is 2 layers to this paper now. So you want to open up those layers and you can see little pockets. But we don't want to tuck anything in to the pockets. You just want to take the tip after we folded the triangle and push it in along the small crease you can hardly see. And then it'll look square, and then the snout of the frog will look square. And then we just want to kind of push it in. Oh, we just want to kind of tuck. It's hard to explain and do at the same time, but you want to push it in, and it keeps on doing what I don't want it to do. Man. You want to push it in, close it up, like that. And now the snout looks squared off. So it's pretty good. So now that's the end of our frog. You can draw a face on it. You can make it jump like this. And it flips too, most of the time. So this frog is very cool. I didn't design it myself, but I learned how to make it. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you smash that like button and press that subscribe so you get a ding when I make another video. Bye-bye.